In this video guide, I will show you how to log in Handelsbanken. So friends, if you want to log in online, follow me in these steps. Go to Google, search for Handelsbanken. This is the keyword. Click this first one. As you can see here, when you click this one, you will see this page. Click login option. This is for personal banking. Click this one. After that, friends, you will see this page, different login option. You have banking ID. If you want to have ID, just click this one, and then you can log in with your ID. As you can see here, friends, this is easy steps you can do. If you want to select different method, you can use QR codes, write your identity number to log in, and then click continue. Your QR code. You can select also different method. You can use card reader without cables. Choose your identity number here, and then click login. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content. You can use this method, guys, also card, as I say, reader with cable, and you can log in successfully.